Another headphones from Oraimo. This is the Oraimo BoomPop 2S, and this guy comes with gesture control. But I just reviewed the Oraimo BoomPop 2 last week, and here you can see this guy lacks gesture control. Aside from that, just merely looking at the pack of these two guys, you are going to notice that the Oraimo BoomPop 2 comes with 60 hours long playtime, while the Oraimo BoomPop 2S comes with 50 hours long playtime. Any other difference? I'll save that for the full comparison video. But right now, let's just unbox this guy. Let's see what's inside the box. Let's get down to business. Now, before we start with the unboxing, quickly let me show you the price. The price of the Oraimo BoomPop 2S on Oraimo eShop website is 38,300 naira. And if you quickly check the BoomPop 2, that is 29,200 naira. There's something going on here. Maybe in the full review video, I will explain some of it to you guys. You can also use my discount code to get it, which is right on the screen right now, brackets. Thank you. Now, from the pack, you can see it comes with gesture control, effortless listening, and Avid-based technology in it with Oraimo Sound App sync. So that means you can sync it up with Oraimo Sound App. Now, by the side, it comes with the features that you can find right on the pack of the Oraimo BoomPop 2. You can see you can charge it for 15 minutes, play for 500 minutes, clear voice in calls, lightweight and flat fold design with dual device connectivity. And aside from that, under it is keep exploring. Above it is Oraimo smart accessories. At the back, you can't find the brand ambassador there, and the person of Burna Boy is just blank. Okay, let's save that for another day. Let's unbox this guy. Let's see what's inside. The first thing you are going to find here is the aux cable for the headphone jack. And the next thing you are going to find here is a short cable for charging it up, a USB-A to Type-C. And the next thing you are going to find here is the manual, which you can see here. You can go through that once you get yours. Nice. This guy comes in blue color, as you can see here. I wish this guy comes in different colors like gray, red, purple, and the rest, or pink. Yeah. So this is blue, while the Oraimo BoomPop 2 is black. I know you guys prefer something black. So let's just talk about this guy a little bit. Looking at the design here, it's just the same with the Oraimo BoomPop 2. Nothing more, nothing less. Aside from the color and the gesture controls that this guy comes with. So let me switch it on. I can hear power on, and I'll give you my first impression by connecting it up to my smartphone, and let me share with you my first impression. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Wow. Guys, I have to tell you, I've been listening to Odumodu Black featuring Black Sheriff Woto Season, and guys, this Oraimo BoomPop 2S is just amazing. I can say there is no much difference between this Oraimo BoomPop 2S and the Oraimo BoomPop 2 when it comes to the bass straight out of the box. And if you connect it up with the Oraimo Sound App, you can open up the bass the more and, you know, boosting it up a little bit to your own taste. In the full review video, I'll be sharing with you guys everything you need to know about this Oraimo BoomPop 2S. The gesture control is already on my channel. I should have released this video before now, but I'm so sorry it's coming late. Please watch the gesture control if you have gotten yours so that you can maximize how to use the gesture controls. And also, I'll be sharing with you the full review later on. So subscribe for more if you have not subscribed. This is my first impression and unboxing video of the Oraimo BoomPop 2S. Bye for now. Peace.